Hi everyone, this is Becca from Owners. Today I want to introduce you our newest portable charger, EVX series. Okay, now let's unbox the charger, which is a 3 kilowatt version. Well, this is the back inside. We can support to clients the portable charger bag OEM branding service also. And this is the simulator we put inside. Later we'll show you how to charge the charger. It's not included into the package actually. Firstly, this is a user manual for the EVX Portable Charger. It introduced the functions, how to use, and very specifically. And then this is a wall bracket for the charger. And you can fix the charger on the wall, use the bracket. And this is a Type 2 holder. You can put the plugs to fix it on the wall also. For the bag, we made the non-slip materials, and also we can print your logo here or change the zipper color actually. And later I will show you the charging effect after connected to the electricity. Now we have two buttons on the screen. The upper one is for adjust the current. I will show you. This is a 3 kilowatt version, so we can adjust it from 8 amperage to 16 amperage. And the down button is for the delay charging. I will show you. Oh, okay. You can set delay charging from 1 hour to 24 hours later. Show you clear. Okay, 24 hours later. And long press the upper button, you can go into the menu, the charger's menu. We have some basic functions in the menu, which is LCD display time and CP mode and plug and charge mode. And we also optional for the Wi-Fi connection. So, and this is exist. Okay. At last, I want to show you. This is the simulator. I want to show you when it's in the charging status for connected. Okay. This is the charging status for after connecting to the simulator. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you are interested in our product, EVX series portable chargers, you can contact me or our team. Thank you.